What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on the FJ again, and man, things happen for I don't know what reason, but they happen in some order, which wasn't planned. Well, kinda, it was planned, because originally I did intend to swap the front brake system and then the rear brake system. However, the way things turned out to be, we're a little bit forced. Let me show you. All right. Check this out, guys. So here is the list of parts. This time I decided to go a little bit on the budget side, but that's only because we did add the rear calipers to the system. Starting off with this, we got here rotors. Here's the part number. That is 42431-60201. That is the same for either side. I did go with Duraless Gold brake pads. They already come with this kit, which is awesome. Yeah, they look smaller than I would think, but it is what it is. All right, and here are the brake calipers that I got. These I got them in O'Reilly's, and they were 89 plus tax. I think they're real cool. They also have a kit, which is nice, just to have an additional kit. Nice washers there. And look at this. What a beauty. These are nice. Really, really cool kit. The cool thing about this is that I feel that these are OEM. They just refurbished them. So I feel like this is cool. This is honestly exactly what I wanted to do to mine. But for 89 bucks, might as well just let them have it, you know? So these are 89 plus tax. You do have to take the old ones back to get 25 bucks. These are the old ones. These are the new ones, 89 plus tax. These are 130 each. And these were $50 for the set. We also got additional things like a bleeder hose, all right? This one is 7-081512. And this will fit here, no problem. Test it. Let's see. Also got a brake cleaner, of course, and brake grease. Definitely, this is a must. All right, guys. I don't know how the heck this happened. I actually cannot believe this happened to me, since I work on cars all the time. But there you have it, guys. Lesson learned. We need to check all of our brakes all the time. Literally, we have the brake pad missing, and it's been dusted away. So this made the rotor thin, as you can see. This one is thinner than the back one. Look at that. Just for reference, this is a new one. They're evenly thick here and here. Holy smokes. Yeah. Obviously, this made the piston push all the way, and it spilled all the liquid. All of it. Oh, man. That is crazy. I've never seen that. I never thought this would happen to me, but man. All right, time for some new stuff. Oh wow, that's how thin they are. So it's breaking. Holy crap. You know what? Alright guys, so this is how the new setup looks like. Look at that. She looks beautiful. Well, there you have it, guys. This is the result of letting your brake pads wear down to the metal. Literally, the other one is gone. Not even in the car. Yeah. Piston even came off, and that's why we had a bunch of fluid leak. But other than that, the caliper is actually in good shape. The piston is in great shape. It just needed pads, and the pads wore down the rotors, so it needed pads and rotors. Other than that, the Go to Grow is good to go. We topped up the brake fluid there. The wheel is back, and we are golden. So with that, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.